I use to glue this nail foil to wooden shape or paper shapes, like to transfer the image. There are many advices and there are many masters who tells you have to use this or that. This is the best. Actually, you have to find out yourself, because I tried different type of adhesives and I found that not everything works for me. So I had advices from some masters that you can use Mod Podge, different types of Mod Podge. It could be gloss, it could be matte, it could be with sparkles, whatever. Well, it dries well. It's perfect for paper. It's perfect for mesh. But I found it's not good for nail foil. Maybe it's good for metallic foil. I have no idea, never tried metallic foil. But not for nail foil. So that's why I don't use this one. Then I tried high gloss. Actually, I tried varnish, not necessarily high gloss. Whatever I had at home. It dries fast, because Mod Podge dries like really long, but varnish dries very fast, and you can use a spray varnish or just like liquid varnish, but still it doesn't give me this satisfaction, and sometimes I'm not happy how it works on nail foil. Then I tried different type of adhesive. Usually you can buy them with a metallic foil, metallic paper, and I found it's messy. It's like a cream and doesn't give me the option to make the surface smooth. Sometimes it's like, because it's cream, it's like creamy. Then this glue, like Super Bond glue adhesive, it's good, but it's very good for some, like I would say, beads, for wood. I use this one, but not to transfer the foil from nail foil, not to transfer this image I want, because nail foil is very gentle, very thin. So, it's not good. But if you have it, you can try, but again, it's quite messy. Then I said, why I have to kind of fight with myself looking for best adhesive if we have nail glue. We have nail glue, and nail glue is not expensive, and you can buy any nail glue. I use this one because it's not expensive and it actually gives very good effect, and it's enough for at least, I guess, 50 pairs of earrings, or maybe even more. Because it's nail glue, it means it's glue for nail foil, and why we should kind of look for other type of adhesives. So I stuck with this one, and as I said, necessary of this kind of brand, but it's just like what I bought, and I'm happy. You see? So this is, I'm gonna use to show you how to transfer nail foil on your earrings.